Anyways, this is what I'm getting ready to fix. I gotta fix this. Hey, wow, where's my ABS wire? What the hell? And I gotta fix this, my ABS wire, speed sensor. And of course I gotta fix the firewall. Replace the brake booster, brake cylinder. And here's my parts truck. And for all you guys that want to put wild cams in your truck, you want to put one of these on your truck. It's a pain in the ass to get on here, but it goes through your power steering. It's not through your brakes. It's not through your vacuum. Because when you put a big cam in a truck, you got no vacuum. So I'm gonna put this on, and because I'm gonna put a big ass cam in my truck. And there's my wires. So I got like I think my fuel gauge, my fuel pump goes through here. And these is my ABS. And I think that's my tail lights. Trailer wire. Anyways, I gotta take this out right here. And it's for your, goes over here to the speed sensor. Has this speed sensor on it. So this is all gotta come out. I know these things probably look like a joke, but I'm telling you what, they work, dang, they work on them pretty good, except when they're super tough like that. You just get that in there. God dang. Okay, I pretty much got it. All you gotta do is take the cab bolts out and pick up this side of the cab a little bit, and it should come right out. Okay, I got it. All your connections next to your fuse block, passenger ABS, driver, that goes to the ABS pump, fuel pump, evap, the ground, tail lights. And I know that this goes to your trailer tail lights. This is your, somebody cut the plug off, but these are your backup lights and park lights and turn signals and all that crap. Anyways, there it is. Wasn't too bad to get off.